Good morning. I'm Sean, and this is your morning huddle. It is a beautiful bluebird day here. I hope it is where you are. You know, one of the most important things that you and I have to remember is that dentistry is a service industry business. It's all about people. And so while the things that go on in the mouth are step oriented, what are you guys doing? Can't you see I'm trying to do a video? While the things that you do in the mouth are very step oriented, you know, the truth of the matter is every aspect of the business has to be about people. It has to be about service. And that requires presence of mind. One of the most important things that you and I can do, regardless of what role you play on the team, is coaching every single one of us on the team to have presence of mind. You know, it's not a factory. You can't deal with people by doing steps. Now, it's important that, you know, from an overall standpoint, in terms of outcomes and goals, you know, those things can be predetermined. But how you're reacting in the moment with this personality versus that personality of patient, this circumstance and that circumstance, all of that requires having presence of mind. And so, again, we have to put a tremendous amount of focus on coaching each of us to, in the moment, have presence of mind. Don't think about the steps. Think about the outcome of where you're trying to go in this given situation. And then roll with the punches, so to speak. Dance in the traffic, so to speak. Because every personality is different. Every situation is different. Every circumstance is different. You're not going to be able to pre-plan exactly how you're going to handle it. The only thing you can pre-plan is where you're trying to go, and then have the presence of mind in the moment to be able to adjust, to be able to get there. Good morning, Tandy Glass. I hope it's beautiful where you are. And so that's the challenge that I would throw at you this morning. Shift your focus. Put all your focus not on what to do. You're not going to be able to script it. Challenge. Nelson Hatchie, good morning, sir. We just met up at the gym. Put all your focus on making sure that you're coaching yourself and your team to have presence of mind in the moment. Nothing is going to be able to replace that. And there's no asset greater than a solid team of people who all have in the moment presence of mind, and the focus is about where I'm trying to go and being able to roll with the punches in the process. Do that and watch your results grow like crazy. You want to say hi? You want to say hi? Okay, I don't think him back here. I'm Sean, and this is your Morning Huddle. Have a good morning.